Imagine waking up every morning feeling full of energy, focused, and in control of your life. But, what if your daily habits are secretly destroying your health, productivity, and happiness? Today, we'll uncover the science of breaking toxic habits and replacing them with powerful, life-changing routines, so you can become the best version of yourself. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify and understand your toxic habits. Before we can eliminate toxic habits, we need to understand how habits work. The habit loop, science behind habits. According to neuroscience, every habit follows 3 steps. 1. Cue, trigger the situation that starts the habit. Stress makes you eat junk food. 2. Routine, the actual habit, grabbing a bag of chips. 3. Reward, the feeling of satisfaction, temporary relief from stress. Exercise, write down your biggest toxic habit and identify its cue, routine, and reward. Understanding this is the first step to changing it. Step 2. How to build a healthy eating habit. We all know we should eat healthy, but why is junk food so addictive? Dopamine and sugar addiction. Processed food hijacks our brain's reward system, making us crave it more. Solution. 1. Replace, don't remove. Instead of just quitting junk food, replace it with healthy alternatives that you enjoy. Example, swap soda with flavored water. 2. Plan your meals in advance. Decision fatigue leads to bad choices. Plan and prep healthy meals so you always have a good option available. 3. Use the 5-minute rule. If you crave unhealthy food, wait 5 minutes before eating it. Often, the craving will pass. Step 3. How to make exercise a daily habit. The hardest part of working out isn't the exercise, it's starting. Science-backed solutions. 1. Make it ridiculously easy. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Once you build consistency, increase the time. 2. Stack it with an existing habit. Attach your workout to something you already do. Example, after I brush my teeth, I do 10 push-ups. 3. Gamify your progress. Use a habit tracking app or calendar to reward yourself for consistency. Pro tip, the key is to focus on identity change. Instead of saying, I have to work out, say, I am the type of person who never skips a workout. Step 4. How to stop wasting time on social media. On average, people spend 2 to 3 hours a day scrolling on social media. That's over 1,000 hours a year. Science-backed solutions. 1. Use the screen time lock, set app limits to restrict overuse. 2. Turn your phone to grayscale, colors trigger dopamine. Making your phone black and white makes it less addictive. 3. Replace scrolling with reading. Every time you want to check Instagram, open an audiobook or article instead. Step 5. How to manage stress without bad habits. Many toxic habits, like overeating, smoking, or binge-watching, come from stress. If we manage stress better, we'll naturally eliminate these habits. Practical techniques. Box breathing. Inhale 4 seconds and then hold breath for 4 seconds, then exhale 4 seconds and finally hold your breath for 4 seconds. This calms the nervous system. Journaling. Writing down thoughts reduces mental clutter. Cold showers and meditation. Scientifically proven to lower stress and boost dopamine. Final step, the 21-day challenge. Studies show that it takes 21 days to rewire the brain and form a new habit. Challenge. Pick one toxic habit to eliminate. Pick one positive habit to replace it. Track it for 21 days. Question for viewers. What is one toxic habit you will eliminate starting today? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful self-improvement tips.